Mas mataas yung posisyon na ina-applyan mo, mas maraming competencies na hinahanap. Ngayon ang tanong, paano mo ba ma-develop yung mga kinakailangang competencies? Ito yung development process ng competence, no? You have 4 elements: knowledge, attitude, skills, habits. In that particular order. Una, kailangan mo mag-acquire ng knowledge. Pero hindi pa yan competence. The second step, and this is where most people fail, is attitude. Kahit gaano karami ang alam mo, kung wala kang tamang mindset, kung wala ka ng willingness to apply, willingness to make mistakes, willingness to be bad at first, hindi siya magiging skill. Knowledge without attitude is just trivia. Di ba? Pag meron kang tamang attitude, saka mo palang nade-develop ang skill. How? By doing, by practicing, by experimenting, kahit pumalpak ka minsan. Kahit skillful ka na, no? Hindi pa yan tapos. Kailangan mong ulit-ulitin hanggang sa maging disiplina na siya, maging habit mo na siya, at automatic mo na siyang ginagawa ng tama kahit hindi mo na siya masyadong iniisip. Competence is when excellence becomes a habit. Maraming tao ang hindi nagiging competent kasi humihinto sila sa knowledge. Nagbabasa, nanonood, nakikinig, pero walang ginagawa. At alam naman natin, di ba? Knowledge that is not applied is quickly forgotten. Kaya kung gusto mong mag-level up, if you're aspiring for bigger roles, bigger responsibilities, more lucrative roles in organizations, kailangan mong i-develop itong tatlo na ito. Cultivate curiosity, be hungry to learn, accept na you will suck at first, that's normal, and then discipline yourself. Practice, repeat, until it becomes second nature. Hindi sapat na alam mo, kailangan ginagawa mo. That's how real competence is built.